audience of over 10 million. Today, you will see very special and various performance of Caribbean sea lion from the United States. This is the merchant sea lions of the world. Besides, you will see shows of the type sea otter with short nails. It is also smart. Both sea lion and sea otter will entertain and amuse you with their exciting and lovely show, both in land and water. Their shows are not easy to be seen. They will put giant balloons on their nose while walking on tanks. They will jump to pass through four loops, play basketball with their coach, hold up in the air, control golf while walking on their front fin, dance while drumming and singing, and kick the ball to pass over the elevator block. Among you, some will be lucky. We will see who will be embraced and kissed by the sea lion after being invited to Toklat Parade. By a few seconds, you all are invited to be entertained by our sea lion show. We hope that today will be remembered as one of your happiest days.
และเวลาของนักวิ่งข้ามรอคอยกำลังจะรับการแสดงของสิงโตทะเลชนจากเริ่มที่ระดับนี้ครับผม
Ladies and gentlemen, the Barrymore crowd represents the Sea Lion Show from the Lighthouse of Pacific Coast.
欢迎光临野生世界海狮家园神塔湾。我们的海狮朋友即将与您见面。และณบัดนี้ขอเชิญทุกท่านพบกับสิงโตทะเลโชว์
สวัสดีครับยินดีต้อนรับทุกท่านเข้าสู่การแสดงของสิงโตทะเลโชว์ครับมาแล้วทักทายทุกชมทั้งหมดกองเชียร์ขอบชุบขึ้นมาและก็เซโรเนียสวัสดีครับเยี่ยมมากคราวนี้ทำความรู้จักและแล้วกลับขึ้นมาเรามีตัวแทน ชัวร์นี่ชัวร์เอาละมาดิโทษเอาละมาดิข้าวเสียอุดม please clap your hands แล้วก็กินปลากินโอ้ยตัวเดียวเลยโอ้โหมองซ้ายมองขวานี่มีตัวเดียวเลยเอาละคราวนี้ดีกว่านี่ชึบอ๋อคราวนี้เราจะมาต่อนี่เลยบอลส์เราครับบอลบาสเกตบอลไลน์แต่แก่นะเขาทำสองนี้เลยครับแล้วก็ไปครับกดเสร็จแล้วผมจะมา one two three ชึบone more time 1 2 3 แล้วก็โปรตีนไปทำมันยังไงมาคุณได้เอาไป one more ชุดget to สุดยอดสุดยอดและนะครับเราจะการเล่นกีฬานะครับและซัพพอร์ตสตาร์คิงตลอดพร้อมนะเอากีฬาอีกเลยพร้อมแล้วก็ชุดมาเลยส่งมาตอนนี้ก็ได้นะมาครับส่งมาเลี้ยงมาเลี้ยงลงไม่ให้โอเควงแล้วชุดโอ้โหสุดยอดแน่นอนโอ้ Go to the next time everyone I need 3 1 0 but you 3 1 we have something to show this yearบอลเข้ามาแล้วบอลเข้ามาแล้วสองคนก็ได้เอาละ we have one now everyone I'm so sorry มาให้เลยเอาละรอ ready 1 2 3 come on ชุดแม่นี่ผมได้แล้วนี่คุณรับไม่ได้คุณรับไม่ได้โอเคเอาละ ready 1 2 3 come on ชุดโอ้โหทำไมไม่ได้เลยนะโอเคเซิร์ฟเซิร์ฟนะครับวิดีโอให้ผ่านไปเลยนะรอ1 2 3 go ชุดใหญ่โอ้ได้แค่หนึ่งไงไม่ติดขอบเลยถือว่าคุณผ่านแล้วคุณดำเนินจะไม่ได้ถามคุณต่อแล้วพร้อมอีกรอบนะ1 2 3ยังไม่พออีกเหรอโอ้ยยังไงผมนี่ก็บอกเลยโอ้แกภูมิใจอีกรอบ1 2 3ชับพอทุกคนอยู่คนเดียวเลยคนนี้ไอ้น้องไม่เข้าไปอยู่นะเพราะว่าตรงนี้เอาละเดี๋ยวเราจะให้กับเอ็กซ์ไซส์โอเคเดี๋ยวlet's go 1 2 3 สุดยอดกลับมาโอ้โหถ้าไม่ทำให้กลับไม่กลับไม่ชุดเนี่ยเรื่องของไม่ธรรมดาโอเคทุกคนว่าต่อไปดีกว่าท่านผู้ชมครับ See you watch show Give it like everyone มาแล้วรอไป1 2 They have to show you how to say rolling dance. Come on. Everyone check it out. Come on. Steady by. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Bye. Shut. Bye. Don't let it. Okay, keep on. Shit. Come on. Steady by one more time. Okay. Have a nice. Okay, that's not it. Okay, block. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Walk, brother. Wow. ไม่ได้เอาเข้ารอบดิต้องเข้าหัวด้วยไม่ใช่เข้ารอบเดียวโอเคขอให้ได้โอเคเอาละกลับมาใช่แล้วก็แก้ไขที่ทางช่องครับแล้วก็เอาสมัครระดับรอบได้นะครับพร้อมแล้วอีก1 รอบครับ1 2 3 Let's go Okay, everyone. I have this song. Everyone. Okay. Which one? I have 3 look. เพื่อเป็นการเสียเวลาครับ Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Number 1. Jump. Yeah. Number 2. Wow. Number 3. Yeah. Very nice. Yeah. Bring it back. Up, come on. Yeah. Come on, everyone, please clap your hands. คราวนี้เราจะความสามารถต่อไปก็คือในทางในการเป็นการบาลานซ์สกิลโชว์นี่หรือว่าเป็นการทรงตัวนะครับยากง่ายขนาดไหนจับตาดูครับทุกผู้ชมครับพร้อมขอตาได้ว้าวมาแล้วชึบโอเคสต็อปเดี๋ยวเอาละคราวนี้เอาไปส่งเส้นแบ็คโอเคไปเส้นแบ็คโอเคนี่ก็ส่งกลับไปนิดนึงเอานิดนึงเอาละชึบโอเคสุดยอดคราวนี้ตามตัวมาตั้งหลักดีๆให้ชูความสามารถพิเศษ We have a special item for everyone. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, yeah. We have to do more. They got to sit down and become the hard work. Ready? มาเป็นชาวไม่ใช่ของฉันนั้นเอาละก็ให้ออกมาใช่ยืนที่เธอโอเคน่ารักครับเรียกว่าจนประชาชนไม่เข้าใจตอนนี้เราให้กลับไปด้านหลังดีกว่าครับโอเค Ladies and gentlemen please come back over the Silan Show Everyone let's show them what I have another one this and we will offer Big name Henry come on please come on Henry มาแล้ว Henry มีป้ายมาแล้วอยู่ไหนจะเจอเขาไหมเนี่ยอยู่ไกลเลยดึงว่าเราจะมา Have a nice day and see you there สวัสดีครับบ๊ายบาย Ladies and gentlemen before we leave stand on the next show in our country we will be the Western Port Central and Jerry
Hiện đang ba đi thu nhớ xin được giới thiệu trên sàn biểu diễn ngay bây giờ là một loại rắn hổ mà loại rắn này được phát triển rộng rãi trên vườn được buộc thế là lập tính của loại rắn này thường thành ngừng cao đầu phồng và phun nồng độc về phía trước khi tấn công con mồi chúng thực hiện hai trước răng nanh đồng thời tiết ra nồng độc hổ mang cực kỳ nguy hiểm nồng độc loài rắn này có thể giết chết con người trong vòng 2 giờ đồng hồ hổ mang đặt kích thước tối đa dài 4 đến 5 mét và nặng 20 kg Wow, xin cho một tràng vỗ tay quý vị cực kỳ nguy hiểm. Rắn hổ mang trên sàn biểu diễn ngay bây giờ hoàn toàn đang có nồng độc. Một ít phút nữa, người nghệ sĩ chúng ta sẽ đánh nồng độc trực tiếp từ rắn hổ mang cho quý vị xem. Đây là màn trình diễn hồn rắn hổ mang Wow, xin cho một tràng vỗ tay quý vị cực kỳ nguy hiểm hoàn toàn đang có nồng độc. Quay phim chụp ảnh. What yeah. Quý vị hãy quan sát nét đỏ trên tay một người nghệ sĩ chúng ta đánh nồng độc trực tiếp từ rắn hổ mang. Quý vị hãy ngồi xa nhìn qua màn hình chiếu hai bên rõ hơn nhìn qua màn hình chiếu để rõ hơn đây là cách người ta đánh nồng độc trực tiếp từ rắn hổ mang. Nồng độc của rắn hổ mang được lấy từ hai chiếc răng nanh ở phía hàm trên của rắn chỉ cần một chút ít nồng độc hổ mang có thể giết chết được một con voi trưởng thành ở cực kỳ đầu Đây là hai chiếc răng nanh ở phía hàm trên của nơi tiết ra nồng độc và để diệt chết con mồi từ hai chiếc răng nanh ở phía hàm trên của Xin cảm ơn. Chuyến mục tiếp theo mà khi đến là loại rắn hồ hay còn gọi là loại rắn ráo. Loại rắn này không có nọc độc nhưng và thì vô cùng hung dữ. Rắn ráo không có nọc độc, vô cùng hung dữ. Loại rắn này không có nọc độc. Ủa? Ủa? Chuẩn bị quay phim chụp ảnh. Wow. Xin cho một tràng vỗ tay quý vị quay phim chụp ảnh. Để động viên tinh thần cho người nghệ sĩ chúng ta, nhà mình khích lệ và ủng hộ cho người nghệ sĩ chúng ta một chút ít tiền bạc, bao nhiêu cũng được. Xin cảm ơn anh chị rất nhiều, khóc khun khớp, xin cảm ơn.